The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is assumed to be the top model of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 range. So, the Galaxy S22 Ultra offered a huge upgrade compared to previous Galaxy S Ultra phones, by combining the camera array of previous models with the built-in stylus of the Galaxy Note series. The Galaxy S23 Ultra seems like it'll be building on this in a few ways, most notably with a main camera somehow stuffed with a rumored 200 megapixels and the traditional yearly chipset update for more performance and power efficiency. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comments section what you are looking out for in this new flagship. And if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, if the Galaxy S23 Ultra is changing as little as the rumors say, then we'll likely see a near identical design to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with squared-off corners, a curved display and individually embedded cameras on the back. That would also mean another embedded S Pen for your doodling needs, one of the most unique features of the S22 Ultra. Rumor also suggests that the S23 Ultra may be slightly longer and wider than the S22 Ultra. Also, a leaker, Ice Universe, has claimed that there will be a new display for the S23 Ultra. For color choices, it seems like we'll have at least 4 on our hands. Those will apparently be beige, black, green and light pink, which will be available on all 3 models in the S23 family. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra cameras, we should still see the 4 cameras on the back of the S23 Ultra, except with one major change. There will allegedly be a 200MP main camera, claimed by multiple sources, even higher res than the already high-res 108MP main camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This will apparently be capable of 200MP or 12.5MP photos, but not the 50MP other phones already using this sensor are capable of. And for the rumored Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra performance and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Samsung usually powers its Galaxy S phones with Qualcomm chips in the US, but its own Exynos chips elsewhere in the world. That would mean we'll see what's assumed to be called the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Exynos 2300 at the heart of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. For the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, battery and charging. To power the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung is supposedly using the same 5000 mAh battery as we saw in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The rumors have forecast no charging speed change for the S23 Ultra, meaning it'll keep the same 45 watts maximum that the Galaxy S22 Ultra had. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.